Okay, so first open here, new assembly, then okay, today topic is assembly. So now first open previously created, suppose screw jack parts. Okay, so suppose select first screw jack 1, this one is open here, and now suppose you can rotate from here also. Suppose this is the x value, this one is rotate about x, this one is rotate about y, and this one is rotate about z. Okay, so you just placed here. So now this one is fixed. This is the first part. Next, here open, suppose insert component, then suppose choose here this part. Okay, so suppose choose here this part and placed here. Now join, now join this one. So how to join? Suppose this one is made by mate. Suppose select this mate option, and here this one is concentric. Okay, concentric, tangent, perpendicular, parallel, coincidence. By this option you can assemble this one. So first here this one is concentric. So coincident means suppose in two surface or two plane, between two surface and two plane, this one is coincidence occur. Okay, and concentric means just concentric two circular object. So here first coincident, suppose select this one, and here select this surface. Okay, and then write it. So now this one is coincident. Now this one is concentric. So suppose choose here and suppose choose here. So now this one is concentric. Okay, so now this one is right. Next, here suppose insert component, then choose here this screw. Okay, so now this one is screw. You just rotate it. Okay, so now this one is rotate. So now this one is rotate here. Rotate, and then choose here mate. Okay, suppose this one is mate option. Suppose click here, this one is concentric. Okay, concentric. Suppose choose here, select this surface and select that surface. Okay, select this surface and select that surface, and then write it. So now this one is right here. So that is the concentric option. Next, after that you can edit it. Suppose this one is by uh, by move component. Okay, so suppose just open this one. Okay, just drag and suppose uh, move upward, and then go to the insert, sorry, mate here, then choose, suppose this one is uh, coincident. Suppose coincident, select two surface, suppose this surface and that surface. So now this one is coincidence, and suppose choose here, this is the distance option. So now this is distance is showing here. Suppose this one is 111. Okay, so suppose I'll give here 120. So now this one is 120. So that is the 120 distance you can put here. So now this one is fixed also, then write it. Okay, after that same procedure, insert component, and then you can choose here, suppose this one, this color. So now choose here. So that is the color option, and then you can mate it. Okay, mate. After that, so first one is coincident. Suppose select this face and select that face. So now this one is coincident, and now concentric. Suppose select this one, and here select this one. So now this one is concentric here. So suppose now write it. Okay, because this one is fixed together. So after that, next insert component, same procedure, go to washer. So suppose take washer here, and then after that mate you can choose here. Suppose coincident, so suppose select this face, and here select, and here select that face. So now this one is coincident here, and here you can concentric. So suppose select this circular object, and here select this circular object. So now this one is coincident. So now this one is fixed here. Okay. So after that you can edit mate. After mate, so go to the insert component, same screw call here. So now this one is screw call here, and this one is insert to this portion. So suppose mate, and then suppose here concentric. So now select this one, and here select this one. So now this one is concentric. Okay, so now screw join here. So after that we can call here, suppose Tommy bar. So now this one is Tommy bar. Okay, so now after that mate here concentric. Suppose choose here, this one is concentric, and is this one is also concentric. So now you can give the dimension here. Okay, give the dimension, suppose 267, suppose I'll give here 220. Okay, so now this one is 220, and then write it. Okay, or you can just place it here without distance. Okay, just placed it here without distance. Suppose mate, and here concentric. Suppose choose here, this is the concentric, and this one is another concentric. Just right here. Okay, so now this one these two are concentric. Next is just move it. Okay, how to move? Suppose go to the move component, and now free deck. Suppose choose here, so now this one is free deck up to that. So because this one is free, because this one is rotate and screw is up and down. Okay, so that is the total assembly of screw jack in SolidWorks. Okay, total assembly screw jack of SolidWorks. So everyone practice it.